Hello friends! Today, we would like to discuss the health benefits of plums and offer you some recipes using them. Plums, renowned for their sweet and succulent flesh, stand as not only a delectable fruit but also a treasure trove of remarkable health benefits. These resplendent, purple-hued jewels are a veritable cornucopia of essential nutrients and antioxidants, poised to enhance your overall well-being in myriad ways. Here's an extensive exploration of the numerous health advantages intricately associated with the consumption of plums. Plums are an exemplary reservoir of vitamins and minerals, including vitamin C, vitamin K, vitamin A, potassium, and dietary fiber. This nutritional bounty plays pivotal roles in the upkeep of diverse bodily functions, ensuring your body operates at its optimal potential. Plums are teeming with antioxidants, notably anthocyanins and quercetin, which perform the vital function of safeguarding your cells against the ravages of oxidative stress. This protective shield helps mitigate the risk of chronic diseases and decelerates the aging process, bestowing upon you the gift of prolonged vitality. Plums, replete with dietary fiber, emerge as champions in the realm of digestive well-being. Fiber's intrinsic ability to augment stool bulk not only mitigates the discomfort of constipation but also fosters the harmonious functioning of your digestive system, ensuring that it hums along seamlessly. The fiber content in plums assumes the role of a satiety superhero. It bestows upon you a sense of fullness and contentment, effectively curbing the temptation to overindulge. This dietary ally is instrumental in the pursuit of weight management and the preservation of a healthy body mass. Potassium, a prominent presence in plums, emerges as a sentinel for your heart's well-being. It diligently regulates blood pressure, thus diminishing the peril of strokes and heart maladies, and promotes the enduring vitality of your cardiovascular system. Plums, fortified with vitamin K, assume the mantle of fortifying your skeletal structure. This pivotal vitamin's role in bone health extends beyond preservation. It may well serve as a shield against the onset of osteoporosis, safeguarding your bone's integrity. The antioxidants in plums extend a generous hand to your skin, actively contributing to its radiance. They shield your dermis from the detrimental effects of UV radiation and environmental aggressors, possibly retarding the aging process and infusing it with a youthful glow. Some scientific studies posit that plums may wield the power of stabilizing blood sugar levels. For individuals grappling with diabetes or at risk of its onset, this attribute could offer significant benefits in maintaining glycemic control. Vitamin C, a stalwart presence in plums, emerges as a commander-in-chief for your immune system. Its immune-boosting prowess primes your body to combat infections and illnesses with heightened efficacy, bolstering your overall defense mechanisms. Plum's antioxidant ensemble doesn't stop at cellular protection, it may also harbor anti-cancer properties. Research suggests that the antioxidants within plums could be instrumental in reducing the risk of specific types of cancer, serving as a potent guardian of your long-term health. On scorching days or during periods of heightened physical exertion, plums, with their elevated water content, step in as your hydration heroes. They quench your thirst and help maintain your body's fluid balance, ensuring you remain refreshed and invigorated. Incorporating plums into your dietary repertoire is not just a culinary indulgence but also a savvy investment in your health and well-being. The multifaceted advantages that plums confer upon your body underscore their status as a superfood, a natural source of nourishment that pampers both your taste buds and your health-conscious sensibilities. So, savor the deliciousness of plums, and revel in the myriad benefits they bestow upon your body and soul. Here are some recipes with plums for your health. These health-oriented plum recipes are not only delicious but also packed with nutrients and benefits that can contribute to your well-being. Enjoy these wholesome dishes as part of a balanced diet. Baked plum oatmeal. Ingredients: 2 cups old-fashioned oats, 2 ripe plums, pitted and sliced, half a cup chopped nuts, 2 cups almond milk or your preferred milk, 1/4 cup maple syrup or honey, 1 teaspoon ground cinnamon, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract. Preheat the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, or 175 degrees Celsius. In a baking dish, combine oats, sliced plums, and chopped nuts. In a separate bowl, mix almond milk, maple syrup or honey, cinnamon, and vanilla extract. Pour the liquid mixture over the oats and plums, ensuring even distribution. Bake for 30 to 35 minutes, or until the top is golden and the oats are set. Serve warm. Benefits: oats, rich in fiber, oats support digestive health and help regulate blood sugar levels. Plums provide vitamins, antioxidants, and dietary fiber for digestive health and antioxidant protection. Nuts, high in healthy fats, protein, and fiber, nuts contribute to heart health and satiety. Almond milk, a dairy-free alternative with calcium and vitamin D for bone health. Maple syrup/honey adds natural sweetness and may provide antioxidants and antimicrobial properties. Plum and yogurt parfait. Ingredients: 1 cup Greek yogurt or your preferred yogurt. 2 ripe plums, diced. 1/4 cup granola, choose a low-sugar option. 1 tablespoon honey, optional. Fresh mint leaves for garnish. Instructions: in a glass or bowl, layer Greek yogurt, diced plums, and granola. Drizzle with honey if desired. Garnish with fresh mint leaves. Benefits: Greek yogurt, rich in protein and probiotics, Greek yogurt supports gut health and muscle recovery. Plums supply vitamins, antioxidants, and dietary fiber for digestive health and antioxidant protection. Granola provides whole grains and fiber for sustained energy and digestive health. Honey adds natural sweetness and may have antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more informative content. See you soon.